What's up, it's your boy back with another video. I know I've been gone for a minute. Just ain't been doing nothing because, you know, real world life shit. We're broke, but we got headlights. I'm gonna cut to a clip where I've already unboxed them. Nah, y'all, my bad though. I've already opened these to look at them, but I just got these today. Is the what's today's date? And boy, I just gotta say, ALIBABA for the win, dude. But today we're gonna head over to my boy shop. We're gonna get these PPF filmed over the top of the headlight so that I don't ever have to worry about anything ruining the lens. And let's get into the video. So we made it over here. Ghost Car Design is the homie. Wrapping, PPF, all that kind of stuff. That's his little i8 over there. I've shot a video on my other channel with him. But yeah, we're over here. We're gonna see if he can get these tinted for me, not tinted, but like PPF'd over so it could protect them. Let's go ahead and go inside and let's see what's up. Hey, Seki. Can you take me? We about to be outside with some new headlights, y'all. Just gonna wait for them to PPF it, and then we're gonna snap back to the house of probably me outside installing them. See you guys in a second. Find a little shitty room. Let me go ahead and start a screen record. As I was saying, this is some of the stuff that I've already purchased. I think these are my carbon fenders. Yeah, these are the carbon parts that I'm gonna be finding. Anyway, but so basically what I did is I came in here and I typed in MK7 Golf headlight, and you basically just come up with all these places, and desk is making so much noise every time I move. This is the website that I use to find all the companies. Basically you'll just type in whatever company you want to find and it'll pull up all their imports and stuff. And you got another website. I don't really use this one too often, but anyway, like I said, so I started off with messaging the company that I wanted to buy. Here you can see where, you know, you got your colors. And right here where it says 1 to 4 sets for $225, it doesn't matter. If you reach out to them and you say, hey, I just want to purchase one set, they're going to most likely give you, you know, they're 90% of the time they'll give you the one set. But you can choose your different colors. You got the silver, red, black, but they'll go into more detail when you message them. So this is the guy that I used. So if you go back here and I scroll back a little bit, you can see where I initially messaged him. So I said, do these work for the GTI that has the package, the lightning package? And he said, please send me a photo. So I sent a photo. And these are the parts that he recommended. And he basically, dude, he completely told me exactly what I have to do. Basically, you got to go in, you're going to have to OBD. We could do all that for you. He sent me a video of the lights, what they look like, how they work, all that. That's the lightning, or that's the adapter for the piece. So they're pretty legit. And then basically, like I said, we just kept going through. And he was like, you know, I asked him how much the shipping, because I'm in South Korea, so the shipping is going to be a little bit cheaper. So I went ahead and he told me that it's $43 to get it shipped over here. Took me about 7 days, and we just kept going back, and he gave me a quote. I paid, gave me the purchase order, and I purchased them. And then we went through, and he said, I got different, you know, what color do you want? Do you want the red strip still? Do you want to get a black piece? Do you want a silver one? I opted for the silver one, which thinking back now, I should probably got the black one, but it's okay. You know, they're cheap, so you could always buy another one. And then right here, he's got me the purchase order. And it's that simple, you guys. Like I said, you can do this for anybody. Let me go into my messages. Because, like I said, I've got... these are going to be my taillights that I'm going to be purchasing. They're sick. Everybody, I haven't seen many GTIs with these on them. These are pretty sick. I'm hoping this is screen recording. So, let's see what else we got. My carbon fenders as well. I do believe this is the company that I'm going to be getting the carbon fenders from. Yep, right here. So these are authentic carbon fender pieces. And these are only going to be $300 for both sides. Yeah. So that's how it is. It's purchasing on Ali is easy. It's simple. Anybody could do it. So yeah. Thank you for my little yap session. Let's get back into the video. All right, y'all. Well, it is the next day. I've already taken this piece off. A little bit of bumper. You don't need to take the whole bumper off. You just kind of got to get to this screw that's right here so that you can access this and get this headlight out, because there'll be one here, one there, and I think like right there. But yeah, so the bumper's already off a little bit. Let me go ahead and set you guys up, and we're going to go ahead and take the rest of this bumper off. All right, so the screw here appears to be a T30. This is gonna be one of the screws. All right, 2 more to take off. Stop making this hard on myself. It is a little cold out here, but it's not bad. Nose is a little leaky. A magnet would be perfect in this situation, but I do not have a magnet. So we are fishing these out. Did I miss a screw? There it goes though. And there's the headlight out. I'll go ahead and slip this in. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way just yet. Hell yeah. All right, so we officially have the first one in. Decent looking, nice. Versus the other side where it's got red. I don't know, we'll see in a second. Yes. Get in. Go. I gotta tighten that one before my ADHD brain forgets. Tighten this, and we're good. Till go. All right, well, got them both in. Moment of truth. I'm going to go and start the car. And there we go. The lights are in. I had this one flipped upside down. I had to redo it. There's a special way that it goes, and I didn't do it. No more red in the headlights because red is ugly. Let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm probably not gonna on camera switch the modules, the whatever, the OBD stuff. Probably do that off camera, but if I do, I'm probably just gonna record it, put it at the end of this video because I'm lazy and I gotta look up how to do it. But I haven't gotten the thing yet. See what these look like. Yeah. I don't know how well it's picking it up. Yeah, so it did pop up. Check right daylight running light. So I gotta code all this, fix this. Definitely gotta code that part out, change that, and I think you gotta take out a fuse or something. I'm not too sure. I don't have my thing with me, or I would go ahead and do it right now. But for now, lights are in, lights are working. I'm satisfied with how it looks. I don't care about the AFS light. It doesn't bother me. But overall, the lights look good. So, but I mean, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all back together. Go upstairs, get this shit done. But yeah, thanks for watching. Next on the list is probably gonna be, I got a couple things. I gotta take these dents out of the car. I'm gonna have to strip the car down. We're gonna be doing the audio here pretty soon. And then that'll be in the next couple vlogs. I don't know when I'm gonna drop, so make sure you hit that notification button so that when I do drop, you guys get notified, because I don't do this every day. I'm broke, I'm poor, I ain't got no money. So I do this when I can to, you know, just show you guys the build, upload, things like that. So let me know what you guys wanna see next. Comment down below. I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace.